This crocodile is at the dentist. And that dentist? It's not a hippo in disguise. It's a bird. A real, actual bird. The Egyptian plover. You see, crocodiles can't brush their teeth. Shocking, I know. They eat messy meals, flesh, fish, whatever they can catch. And bits of food get stuck between their teeth. But instead of getting cavities or bad breath, they get help. Enter the plover. This tiny bird walks right into the croc's mouth and starts pecking away like it's no big deal. It eats the leftovers, yum, and the croc? He just chills there, mouth wide open. No chomping, no snack attack. Just mutual respect. So, why doesn't the crocodile eat it? Well, think of it as nature's deal. The bird gets a free buffet. The crocodile gets cleaner teeth and fewer infections. Everybody wins. But here's the wild part. Scientists still aren't sure how this trust works. There's no contract. No handshake. Just an understanding between species. You help me, I don't eat you. It's kind of beautiful. And honestly, more teamwork than some office meetings I've been in. So next time you brush your teeth, remember, even crocodiles know the value of good hygiene and a good friend.